Shri Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. So you must take to Shastra Vidhi. This is the actual advancement of civilization. Because life after life we are forgotten about our relationship with God. And this is the only chance, human form of life, we can revive our relationship with God. In the Chaitanya Charitamrita it is said that Anadi Bahirma Vijji Krishna Bhuligela Ataev Krishna Veda Purana Karita. Why these Veda Puranas are there? Especially in India, we have got so many Vedic literature. First of all, the four Vedas, Sam, Yajur, Atharva. Then they are gist, philosophy, Vedanta, Sutra. Then Vedanta explanation, the Puranas. Purana means supplementary. Ordinary persons, they cannot understand the Vedic language. Therefore, from historical references, these Vedic principles are taught. That is called Purana. And the Srimad Bhagavat is called Mahapurana. Spotless Purana. Srimad Bhagavatam, because in other Puranas there are material activities, but in this Mahapurana Srimad Bhagavatam, simply spiritual activity. That is what. So this Srimad Bhagavatam was written by Vyasdev under the instruction of Narada, Mahapurana. So we have to take advantage of this. So many valuable literatures, the human life is meant for that. Why you are neglecting? Our attempt is, this Krishna consciousness movement is, how to spread this knowledge of the Vedas and the Puranas so that the human being can take advantage of it and make his life successful. Otherwise, if he simply labors hard day and night, like the hog is day and night working very hard to find out where is stool, and after eating stool, as soon as they get little fat, the pigs are fatty therefore, because stool contains all the essence of food. According to medical science, the stool is full of hypophosphorus. The hypophosphorus is good tonic. So one may try it. But actually this is the fact. The pig becomes very fatty because it is stool. So this life is not meant for becoming a pig or hog. One should become a saintly person. That is human civilization. Therefore, in the Vedic civilization, Brahman, the first class. There is no first class man now in this society. Everyone third class, fourth class, fifth class. Satta, Sama, Nama, Titikha, Arjava, Jnanam, Vijnanam, Asikam, Brahma, Karma, Sabha. This is first class. Truthful, very peaceful, full of knowledge, very simple, tolerant, and believer in the Shastra. These are the symptoms of first class man. So where is that first class man throughout the whole world? So the consciousness movement is trying to create at least one section, first class man, so that people may see, oh, here are ideal men. So that's my request to persons who have joined this Krishna consciousness movement, they should very carefully keep them as first class men. People will appreciate and they will try to follow. Jad jada acharati shrestha tattade vaitare jana. If there is a class of men, first class, then people will appreciate, at least they will try to follow, even though are unable to become first class. They will try to follow. Tattadeva sajat pramanam kurute lobastadanuvartate. So that is first class man required. If he acts, then others will follow. If the teacher does not smoke, the students also will stop smoking, naturally. But if this teacher is smoking, how the students, they are also smoking in the class. I have seen in New York. At least in India, this is not yet begun. It will begin because they are also making progress. These rascals are making progress, going to hell. So, Prahlad Maharaj advises, don't waste your valuable time in so-called economic development and nonsense activity. Try to become a devotee of Mukunda. Then life will be successful.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.